Hi guys, welcome back to Beat Beauty. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you some gorgeous rejuvenating skincare products to help revive your skin post-summer. So the motivation behind this particular video was that I personally felt after the summer months that my skin was feeling quite dehydrated, sort of from head to toe. And I was also noticing just a little bit of hyperpigmentation on my face. So I've been testing out a bunch of products for both face and body, and I found some really lovely products. So I just wanted to share them with you in today's video. So the first product that I have for you is an after sun product. It's great if you sunburn. I have to admit, I did actually get sunburnt this summer. I really shouldn't admit to that as a beauty blogger, but even though I was wearing SPF, it happened. I'm gonna admit to it. So that is why I discovered this gorgeous product. This is the Sunbum Cool Down After Sun Lotion. And this one is just absolutely gorgeous. So it has this incredible scent that I think was the first thing that sold it to me. The scent is like a pina colada in a bottle. It is absolutely delicious, but I mean, way more than that. This one has gorgeous after sun ingredients like aloe. I think we all associate aloe with after sun. You've also got cocoa butter in there, and you've got vitamin E. So really healing, nourishing ingredients. And as you apply it, it just really soaks into the skin really easily, very lightweight. It's never gonna feel sticky or greasy like after suns can do. So much so that I think I would use this anyway as a gorgeous body moisturizer, post-shower, post-bath. It just feels gorgeous on the skin, and that scent kind of transports me back to that holiday feel. The next product I want to talk about is another body product, and this is a really luxurious, nourishing body treatment. It's the Bella Spirit Ultra Nourishing Intensive Body Treatment. And this one is by the brand When by Chasdeen, which I've talked about a few times. I absolutely love their products. They have gorgeous hair care and skin care. The Bella Spirit line by them is one of their more sort of luxurious lines. It has absolutely gorgeous natural ingredients. In this one, you've got cucumber, lavender, and eucalyptus. So it has a really lovely sort of spa-like scent. Really feels like a pampering ritual when you apply it to the body. I particularly like putting this one on after a bath. And it, again, like the Sunbum, it feels really nourishing, but it sort of soaks into the skin really easily, never feels greasy, but it has so many nice ingredients. In addition to those lovely botanical waters that I just mentioned, you've also got arnica. You may be familiar with that because it's great for bruising, but it's great for just healing the skin. You've also got vitamin K as well. So really, really nourishing ingredients in there. You've got peptides, you've got amino acids. This is just going to be absolutely chock full of great nourishing ingredients. And I just noticed from head to toe, my skin feels, but also just looks much healthier when I apply this head to toe. So really recommend this one. If you're looking for something a little bit more pampering, a little bit more luxurious, this one is going to last you past the summer months, through the fall, and into the winter months when you really need something a little bit more pampering, luxurious, maybe a bit richer, that's going to really soothe the skin. Next up, I have a really gorgeous face product for you. It's by the brand Morad, and it's their Vitamin C Brightening Serum with Glycolic. Now, if you're someone that's worried about the signs of aging, if you're worried about hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone, this is going to be an amazing product for you. So this one's designed to deliver both vitamin C and glycolic acid, both amazing, potent skincare ingredients. And it's got this really cool packaging for a reason, not just so that it looks cool. So it's what they call a dual carriage packaging system. And it's going to help to keep both of these ingredients separate, keep them fresh, prevent oxidation. And so this product's going to last much longer and be much more efficient because of this gorgeous packaging. It also looks really cute on your nightstand. But anyway, so you've got vitamin C in there. Vitamin C is known to brighten the skin. It's great at protecting the skin from free radicals, absolutely full of antioxidants. We all know that we should be consuming vitamin C supplements, but also it's amazing for your skin. And then you've also got the glycolic. So these two ingredients kind of work in tandem. The glycolic acid is going to help to exfoliate off any dull skin cells that you may have. and so your skin's automatically going to look brighter, but it's also going to help for the vitamin C to penetrate a little bit deeper and work its magic on your skin. So this one is just a lovely product, really easy to use, nice fresh scent. You're going to apply it after you cleanse and tone, and you can apply it to the face, you can apply it to the neck, you can even apply it down to the chest. And this one feels really light, refreshing on the skin. You just want to blend a little bit all over the face, neck and chest, and then you're ready to use your regular moisturizer on top. So really, really great. So this one's just a really great product to incorporate into your skincare regime. If you're worried about hyperpigmentation, you want to even out your skin tone, and you also want that extra little bit of protection with these gorgeous antioxidants. So use this one in the morning. You can use this one morning and night, but I'm going to show you what I've been using at night, which is a little bit different. I use this one in the morning before I put on my SPF and my moisturizer. So absolutely love this one. Nighttime wise, I have been using a gorgeous product by Pixi Beauty. This one is the Overnight Retinol Oil, and it's a newish product by them. I absolutely love Pixi Beauty because the products are not very expensive, but they are really, really good. And you can also get them from places like Target. I think you can maybe get them from CVS now. So really easy to find and just at a really, really great price point. Anyway, so this is a retinol oil. I've been a little bit scared of using retinol only because I've heard rumors if you have sensitive skin that can sort of flare up your skin. So I've been a little bit scared of using them. I was a little nervous to use this too, but actually it has been amazing for my skin. Really great, again, if you're worried about any hyperpigmentation. Vitamin A is really good at helping to treat the skin, even out the skin tone, brighten the skin, and it's supposed to help with fine lines and wrinkles as well. So it's a real powerhouse of a skincare ingredient. And this one's easy to use. Again, post cleansing and toning, you're just gonna get the product like you did with the vitamin C serum. And with this one, you only need just a couple of little drops. Pop them in your hand, and then you want to warm it in the palm of your hands, and you'll just pop it all over the skin. Again, you can use it face, neck, and chest, up to you. And you want to use it crucially before you put on your moisturizer. So you put this one on before your moisturizer. And the moisturizer that I've actually been using is another one by them. This is part of the same range. It's the Retinol Jasmine Lotion. And I absolutely love this one. Again, it has the retinol, so great for brightening the skin, great for anti-aging. In this one as well, you've got peptides, and you've also got gorgeous jasmine oil, which just has this incredible scent. So this one feels really, really nice when you apply it after your oil. And if you want a really luxurious nighttime cream, you can add in one of their other oils. Like they have a jasmine oil that you can add into the lotion, and that is going to sort of really help if you have dry skin, if you want a little extra moisture boost. So I absolutely love these ones at night. I've definitely been noticing I wake up in the morning and my skin feels much, much brighter. Another really great habit to get into, especially as you get older, if you're worried about the signs of aging, is putting a product on your neck and chest area. I have been testing out this product by Meaningful Beauty. It's a new one by them. It's their firming chest and neck cream. And this one's great because it's very specifically designed to help with the signs of aging in that area. Not only is it designed to help to reduce those signs of aging, so the fine lines and wrinkles, but it also is going to help to protect the skin. So you've got this gorgeous melon complex, which is unique to the Meaningful Beauty line. And then you've also got vitamin C again, so great for brightening, evening out the skin tone, also for protecting. And then you've got licorice extract in here as well, which is another great brightening ingredient. So with this one, really, really simple. I keep it on my nightstand so that I don't forget to do it. You know, we always have like 10 different things we have to put on or do before we go to sleep. But literally this takes 30 seconds to put on. Just get a little bit of the product and just pop it onto your neck and chest area, massage it in. It feels really nice and refreshing and has a nice light refreshing scent as well. And that's all you have to do. Then you're ready to hit the hay, and you know that you're protecting and helping to prevent the signs of aging on that area of your body as well. So that's about it from me. These are my top post-summer skincare faves. I've had so much fun testing all of these out, and my skin, I have to say, feels absolutely gorgeous now. I really hope that you enjoyed watching, and if you want to find out more about any of the products I talked about, I've left you all the info below on where you can get them and how much they cost. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I hope to see you again on Beat Beauty really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.